Alright, welcome to part 2 of the gear I'm using to vlog on the move. If you haven't watched part 1, go back and watch that first so you can understand exactly what I've been using to create crispy audio and great images during this vlogging month. Now, I've been recording a lot of ambient noise as well, and to do this, I've been using a wonderful Zoom H4n Pro recorder. It's fantastic. It's got 2 stereo condenser mics on top, so I can get stereo sound when I need it and include it in my vlogs. It also has XLR on the bottom, so you can plug in microphones, professional microphones. You can even use the USB output and create it as an audio interface, which is fantastic. When I've been interviewing people on a noisy conference floor, one of the best mics I've found to do that is the Rode News Shooter Kit. Now this comes with a transmitter, a receiver that you mount on top of the camera, and the best thing is it takes, AA batteries, so really easy to top up when it needs more power. The News Shooter microphone looks like this. It's omnidirectional, but a really tight pickup, so if you're in a noisy room, you can point this to one person and the other person and get just the audio you need. It really is rather fantastic. In terms of tripods I've been using quite a few. I started the month of Vlogtober with the Manfrotto Pixie. I'll link the exact model that I'm using down in the description. I quite like this because it's got legs that extend out like this, and also you can change the pattern so they can come out like a pyramid, or you can change this and they can come out flat, so kind of like a spider squashed out there. And it's got a rotating ball on top, and you can rotate it right the way back to you, so you can do this vlog style like that, and it works really well. I've also been stabilizing images with the Zhiyun crane, which is a beast of a thing, and I don't carry it everywhere with me because it's super heavy, but it is super stable. So if I need super stable, smooth image, that's what I'm going for. I'm using the gimbal, the Zhiyun crane version 2, which is really good. And on top, I've got a Manfrotto attachment, so I can pop in my smartphone as well and film on that. Now, I was using that up until Vid Summit. When I attended Vid Summit, I saw a fantastic presentation by Pat Flynn, and not only did he talk about the switch pod that he's created along with Caleb, but also he gave every attendee of Vid Summit a switch pod. So I've been using the switch pod for the last week or so, and it's fantastic. It's now my go-to tripod because it's so slim, so thin, and right now, you can probably see in the reflection, I'm using it in tripod mode to film myself to talk to you about all the gear I've been using. When I'm giving talks and presentations to an audience, I'm using this wonderful Saatchi Bluetooth controller. Again, link down in the description for this. I have not found a better Bluetooth controller when using Keynote or PowerPoint. It also has a, look at this, laser pointer, so you can like point out things on the screen. Really cool. I also use an Apple Magic Mouse version 2, I believe it is, because I really don't like using the trackpad when I'm doing software demos. And finally, if I'm presenting to the web or I'm doing a live stream, instead of using the built-in FaceTime HD camera, I'm actually traveling with a Logitech C920. Now, back at the MRC Live Studio, I do use Logitech Brio 4K cameras, but this one is sufficient enough to give better quality visuals when you're presenting a live stream from a MacBook Pro, for instance. Finally, if you're presenting a live stream from a hotel room and you want great quality audio, I've never recommended a USB microphone before until I got my hands on and tested out the AKG Lyra microphone, which is amazing. It's USB-C connected as well, so you can plug it straight from this into your MacBook Pro using USB-C to USB-C connector, and the audio is great. Check out a previous video I made to find out exactly how this AKG Lyra sounds. It's fantastic. But what about if you want to use an XLR? Well, Rode sent me some really cool kit, the AI1 audio interface and headphone amplifier, and also the NT1 complete recording kit. So I'm going to connect it together and test out the audio for you now at the end of part 2 of my vlogging kit series. Okay, this is me speaking to you using the Rode NT1 complete recording kit. They claim on the box that it's the world's quietest 1-inch cardioid condenser microphone. What do you think? Comments down below.